So we have Dr. Mary Gillis here with us. Thanks for joining us, Mary.
Oh gosh, my pleasure.
Would you go up into space or no?
I don't think so.
Okay.
I will watch them go.
We'll have front row seats. How about
okay,
that?
great. Yeah.
Fantastic. So what we're here talking about today is sneezing. So it's a powerful, I guess they call it inactivity, a function of the body.
Right.
I don't know about activity.
Activity.
But it's what happens,
Let's go
right?
sneeze. Let's just go sneeze.
Right. But it happens. So what we want to know is, and I'm really bad about doing this, and I didn't really notice it, but what happens when you hold a sneeze in? I am not a chewer. I literally have the silent when I sneeze.
Well, is that deliberate? It's
deliberate.
Okay. So sneezing, right? It is, like you mentioned, Jared. It's very powerful. These droplets that expel from our respiratory system are 100 miles an hour, up to 100 miles an hour. When you hold in a sneeze, there are repercussions. So our body is all about pressure. So we have blood pressure, and we have our arteries, and we have our veins. And when you hold in a sneeze, you're essentially increasing the pressure in your eyes. 5 to 24 times what it should be. I mean, that's dangerous.
Yeah, it sounds very and projectile dangerous.
Projectile. So what can happen is you can really you can have inflammation in your eyes. You can rupture those blood vessels. There are long-term implications of that if this is a chronic thing that you do. And I understand people want to be sort of polite if they're in sort of like a crowd, or they're just wherever they are, whatever situation.
Sure.
And then also I'll say it can rupture your eardrum. You feel it sometimes, right? When you hold in that sneeze, you can
like
feel
a little crack in the back of your ear.
Yeah. So, and we don't want to do that, of course. It can affect our hearing, get hearing loss. And especially older people, we have to, they can break a rib. So those are things we want to be aware of. So just, everybody sneezes, just go for it.
Just do it.
It's totally acceptable.
Forget politeness and just do what your body naturally wants to do.
Exactly, Jerry.
Okay.
Exactly.
Perfect. Well, good to know. I will stop doing that.